Welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, your host. I'm the Director of Relationship Management for Windy City, and it's Tuesday. That means FM Corner. So today we're going to continue the second part of inner strength. If you don't have it, how do you develop it? Last week we spoke about if you have it and what are the reasons why and what you have to keep doing to maintain it. Today we're going to talk about if you don't have it. What are some of the reasons and what can you do? You got to commit to monitoring your self-discipline. You have to discipline yourself. No more shortcuts. Increase your willpower. First sign of trouble, I don't quit. I keep moving. First thing that doesn't come out right, I stop. No, that's not how you do it. You got to get past that part first. I'm going to keep moving on. Keep your eye on the end results. And work at all your actions so helping you to get to that finish line that's out there. Nobody won a race for going 3/4 of the way. You got to go the whole way. That's how you win. So you need to do that. So it starts with you. What are you going to do? First, identify the habits today that are keeping you from building up inner strength. You have to know what those are before you can address them. Do you have issues with saying no? I should be going on my run today, but somebody needs me to help out with this, or I really don't have time to do that, but I can't say no. So I'll say no when I put my run on. Do you have issues with saying no? No's okay. It's okay. I have to continue to move in this path. So sometimes I'm going to say no. Your buddies want you to go out, have a drink or something. No, I can't. I have to do this. I can do it after, but I have to take care of this first. Are you assertive when you need to be? Or are you quiet and passive and you let other people make the decisions and you just follow along? There's times to be assertive and there's times to be quiet. You have to decide which is which. When do I need to speak up and when do I need to be quiet? But don't let quiet become what you are as a follower. Set your own path. You just go with the flow. If you give up on pursuing something important because you let others control what happens, again, you don't have self-discipline. You're letting others make decisions for you. You make your decisions. You make your decisions, and you stick to that. Are you a driver of change? You look to how to change things to make them better? Or you just work around a situation because you don't want to upset somebody else? Got to be a driver of change. Working around something because you don't want to upset others if you bring it up or whatever ultimately hurts you. Drives you nuts. You want to be the driver. You don't have to upset them. You just need to talk to them. If they get upset, you didn't cause that. You have to spend the time talking. Do you lack the resolution and the mindset to continue to the end result? You've got to work on it. You set the guidelines here. It's a simple thing. It starts with you. Until you can start with you on what you're going to do, inner strength will be something you'll be chasing the rest of your life. Those are the starting points. Take each one. Develop a plan. This is what I'm going to do. Lay out that plan. These are the things I need to do, and then do it. And don't shortcut it, do it. And do it over and over. It's something you have to do. You brush your teeth every day. Something you do. You're going to do this to help your inner strength, and I'm going to do it every day. You have to have that discipline to start it and continue it, and don't deviate from it. It takes hard work. These changes will go against what your nature has typically been. It will be a hard hill to climb, but you got to start because you want to go to the top of the hill. You got to start at the bottom and work your way up. Continue to work on it. It will become easier, and all of a sudden it's more self-fulfilling because now I'm doing it. Now I'm working at it. and you continue that and go on. It takes a while, but you can build it. Always remember, inner strength starts with you. You got to start it. Set the goals, set the rules, set what you're going to do, and then follow it. And don't deviate from it. Keep going. Don't let excuses happen. Stay with it. Keep moving. You'll be to the top of the hill. That's Inner Strength today. Thank you very much for listening. Look forward to speaking with you again next week on FM Koontz.